Hey, my name is Matt Hertig. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Alight Analytics. What metrics or KPIs should we track to improve our lead conversion rate? So I'd ask you to visualize a dashboard that maybe has, let's say it has 6 stages into it. So box number 1 is cost. How much did I spend? Box number 2 is how much awareness did I create? And box number 3 is how many leads did I create from a marketing perspective, right? So those are the first 3 stages that I'm looking at. So that's my marketing side of this holistic funnel. The sales or the CRM side of it is, okay, well, how many qualified leads did I get? So leads, qualified leads. Of those qualified leads, how many deals did I create? And of those deals, how many became customers? So 6 stages: cost, awareness, leads, qualified leads, deals, customers. 6 stages. Your most important KPIs lie in between those stages. So as an example, how many impressions does it take to generate a lead? Or how much does it cost me to generate a lead in marketing? The 2 things that you should be looking at. How much awareness and how much expense, how much investment does it take for me to generate a marketing lead? Right? Does that make sense? So box to box. Now, the other KPIs that are absolutely critical to having a holistic discussion lie in how many leads does it take to generate a qualified lead? 10? 5? What if I'm generating 100 leads in marketing and sales says they're all crap? Well, that never happens. Well, actually it does. It happens all the time. Sales says marketing's leads are trash, and you say, well, you generated 100 leads. Okay, well, let's have the conversation. How many leads went into CRM? Well, out of the 100 that I generated, 50 made it in. Cool. Of those 50, how many became qualified? 10. Awesome. That's the most important KPI is how many leads that I'm generating are actually becoming qualified. And we look at that internally here at Alight all the time. Like, marketing's job is to create demand, right? We practice what we preach. Marketing's job is to create demand. Awesome. How many of those leads that you're generating actually become qualified where we can do a discovery call? And how many of those discovery calls actually become deals? And how many of those deals actually become customers, right? So each of those movements become the KPIs that we monitor and that we teach organizations to monitor all the time. Because guess what? You're having a holistic pipeline discussion when you do that. You're not talking about how pretty my creative is and how many view through conversions I got. You're having a realistic, quantifiable P&L discussion where marketing and sales are at the table and being accountable. And that's what we want, guys. That's how we have to use analytics. Great question.